The morning harvest is plentiful.
These pods are perfect.
Let's get these ready.
After harvesting and drying, cocoa beans travel to the chocolate factory for processing. Right, truck is docked, start unloading.
Got it, bringing in the first pallet now.
Every shipment is inspected and prepared before entering chocolate production. Cleaning removes impurities to ensure only premium cocoa continues through production. Only the finest cocoa beans are selected for premium chocolate production. Roasting develops chocolate's signature flavor before the beans become cocoa nibs.
The cocoa transforms into smooth liquid chocolate through precision blending.
Automated technology creates the silky texture and glossy finish of premium chocolate.
The finished chocolate takes its final shape through molding and controlled cooling.
Every chocolate bar undergoes strict quality inspection before packaging. Carefully packaged chocolate is prepared for delivery to customers worldwide. From tropical cocoa farms to factories and finally to stores, every chocolate bar completes an extraordinary manufacturing journey. From carefully harvested cocoa beans to a moment of pure happiness, every step of the journey comes together in a single bite of chocolate.